Okay, today we're here with Aldo. He had tremendous loss on top of his head from front to back.
Team we have here, that's something I've never experienced anywhere else. Day by day they call you, you have the cell phone of the doctor. This is beyond expectation. This is no Photoshop, this is no internet, this is all real. I'm a real person.
Dr. Bolton, he creates miracles here. He's going to be less expensive than the other quality doctors who are doing this procedure, so you're not having to repeat the procedure every year and chasing your results and hoping to get density this time. That won't happen here.
Alright, I just had this procedure. I got the max harvest. I got it done 2 weeks ago. I was happy with my results from my previous hair transplant from Dr. Bolton. I got the same thing I just got 2 weeks ago. I got the max harvest. I made the appointment with Josh, so I got the temple done and the top as well. And now this is 2 weeks out. Grow out my hair and comb it back, and I'll have a real strong, solid hairline. That was my main goal for this procedure. It looked good, but now it's gonna look great.
And knowing you, I think in about 5 months he'll be looking pretty good, so we're excited for you.
Yeah.
Hi there. Here we are with my patient Kareem.
This is the best result I could ever see.
Are you happy with your results?
Yes, I'm super happy actually.
What does your family think about your results?
They are so happy actually for me. No pain at all.
Nothing.
Nothing
Okay.
at all.
All right.
Yes,
All
great
right.
experience, great stuff, great people.
Awesome,
Everything is
man.
amazing.
This is the suture right here. See that little line there? So anyways, it looks amazing.
Thank you so much. If you just want to find a supernatural hairline and supernatural shape, it's gonna be just Dr. Bolton. An artist, not a doctor. For me, he's an artist.
Correct. Well, thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
doing this
Thank
video
you.
for us. Congratulations
Yes,
on the
yes,
awesome
thank you.
results.
Thank you,
And
Dr.
thanks for
Bolton.
flying in from Egypt for us.
Yes, thank you so much.
Here we are with Tony.
Minimal in terms of any type of discomfort or anything, and it was a lot of fun watching it grow in, and there's really no reason at all to be scared of it. It's exactly like the videos. Thank God I found this place. Nobody ever noticed anything. I actually started Googling around celebrity transplants and pretty quickly stumbled upon you, got to the website, and then watched 200 videos, and this is something that is, going to give you confidence forever.
Man, well, congratulations.
Thank you so
We're gonna do an
much.
awesome job on you again today.